Hey y'all, welcome to Beginner Dance Tutorials. I'm Carrie Mitchell, and today we're going to learn a short, trending jive style dance to Christina Aguilera's Candyman. This is not my choreography. I will tag the original choreographer below. This is just my interpretation. I am not an expert in jive. I am not going to have the sharpest flicks and kicks. I'm just doing this for fun, and I'm teaching it to you because I want you to have fun too. It is very fast with the music, but here in the tutorial, we're going to break it down nice and slow and step by step. When you're ready to do it with music, you will not find it in this video. This is going to be the tutorial only. So when you're ready, it's in a separate video. It's linked down in the description below and up here in this card. So just go click that other link and it will take you to me dancing this dance with music, with cueing and without, and you can practice along with that. But for now, let's stand up and learn a short, sweet, sassy Candyman dance. Here we go. So we're starting when she says sweet, sugar, Candyman. And you're gonna start, you're gonna touch your right foot out and your right arm's gonna point down. You can actually point, or I'm just gonna take my hand down in front of me. 1, 2, and then you're gonna switch and 3, 4. So you're stepping, you can touch out and then you're stepping right, left to switch. So just your footwork, you're going touch, step, touch, and then you're gonna do that again. Step, touch, step, touch. So just your footwork, right, right, left, left, right, right, left. Just switching side to side. Arms now I'll show you the arms. You're gonna point down, 1, hold, 2, and then when you switch, your arms are gonna switch 2. And 3, hold, 4. Then your right arm is gonna go up, and 5, hold, 6. And then your left arm is gonna go up, and 7, and then we're just gonna bring everything together on 8. So you're not gonna hold it up there. So this is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, right foot, right arm. 1, 2, switch, 3, 4, switch, 5, 6, switch, 7, 8. But it is fast. Sweet, sugar, Candyman together. All right, so I checked. Those are the counts. You're just counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Sweet, sugar, Candyman together. 5, 6, 7, right foot out. Go sweet, switch, sugar, Candyman together. 5, 6, right foot touches out. Go 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh, that's 1, 8 count down. Yeah. All right, from here, we're gonna do these little kicks across. So we're pointing our toes and kicking across. Your arms are just up here. So not hanging down, kind of bent and going with you. This is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. So kicking right together, left together to the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick across. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do a double kick. 5, 6, and then you do a quick switch, and 7, 8, and. So you're still doing the kick and step, but it's a double kick and a quicker step. Kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch. Again, 2 with the right step, 2 with the left step. So we're going 1, 1, kick, kick, switch, kick, kick, switch. Ooh, try that. 5, 6, single kick, right and left, and double right and double left, and 5, 6, kick your right, kick, and double, and. From here, you're gonna do a kick, kick. So we're doing double kicks again, but I'm gonna take 1 across, 1 to the side, and then we're gonna do what I call a pas de bourrée. Right, left, right. So 3 steps, right, left, right, up on the balls of your feet, right, left, right. You can step down on that last one. Right, left, right. Just try that. Up, up, down. Right, left, right. 2 little tiny micro steps. So don't think about going step, 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 but you're going step, step, step. Right, left, right. Right, left, right. Yeah, so we're gonna go kick, kick, right, left, right. Woo, kick, kick, right, left, right. 5, 6, don't touch down. I don't know what that was. Kick, kick, right, left, right. 5, 6, kick across, kick side, right, left, right. 5, 6, 2 kicks with your right. Then right, left, right. Then your left foot gets a turn. Kick your left 2 times out, side, and now we're gonna go left, right, left. Just try that, the pas de bourrée. Left, right, left. Micro steps. Left, right, left. One more time. 1, 2, 3, yeah? So we're gonna go kick and 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 2 kicks with your left, then left, right, left. 5, 6, kick, kick, left, right, left. 5, 6, kick your left, then left, right, left. Very nice. Sounds like a tap, a tap class for some reason. So you're gonna do 2 kicks, 1, 2, step, 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 kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, double kick, then right, left, right, then 2 left, 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 right, left. 5, 6, kick, kick, step, 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 kick, kick, 1, 2, 3, kick, kick, 1, 2, 3. Very nice. So we had kick, step, double kick, kick and right, left, right, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So that was 2 8 counts total there from just the kicking part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, I'll count you in. Just the kick flick part. Here we go. 1 to the right, 1 to the left. 5, 6, kick with your right. 1, 2, 3, then 2. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then kick, kick, right, left, kick, kick, left, left. Great job. Let's go back to sweet sugar Candyman together, and then you kick. So out of this, you have 1 count to step your left foot in, and then your right foot's gonna kick across. Nice and slow, right foot touches out. 5, 6, 2 counts with your right. 1, 2, switch 3, 4, switch 5, 6, 7, kick. 1, 2, 3, double, 5, 6, switch 7, double again, right, double again, left, left. Very, very nice. You're doing an awesome job. If you need to go over any of that again, rewind it, pause this, practice it. When you're ready to go on to our next 8 count, here we go. So you just finished left, 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 right, left. You're gonna step your right foot across your left, take your arms out here, or jump your right foot across your left, whatever you feel comfortable doing. So crossing the right in front of the left, and then we're gonna take a little shimmy shake of our shoulders. Shimmies are just our shoulders going forward and back very fast. And as you do, you're gonna unwind to your left here. So you can't go to the right, you have to go to the left. We're gonna unwind to the back, okay? So that was 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 on 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna take all your weight over your right leg, and as you do, you're gonna take your left leg out in the air a bit, and you're kind of bouncing on this right foot to finish pulling yourself around. And I've seen people put their hands here. I've seen people take their hands out. Just leave your hands down. Choose your adventure on your arms. So this was 1, 2, shimmy and turn. 3, 4, transfer your weight to your right foot and bounce it out. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 5, 6, 7, 8 to pull yourself back to the front. It's all gonna be continuous. We're not really gonna stop. So it's gonna look like this. 5, 6, 7, right in front. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, but it's so fast that it also feels not quite so disjointed. Try it again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, shimmy 3, 4, left foot comes up, 7, 8. From here, let's go ahead and finish this out so that we can put these 2 8, so you're not just stuck here. We'll put these 2 8 counts together before we go back to the top. So you finish on 8. We're gonna do that left, right, left that we already did again, but with no little kick flick. So you're gonna go left, right, left. Your arms can come down. And then you're gonna go right, left, right, right, left, right. So we already did this, but we're doing the left foot first, and we're not doing any kicks or flicks. So we're just going left, right, left, right, left, right. Just try that. Left foot first. Left, right, left, left, right. Remember, it's a micro step. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, step on your left. Left, right, left, right. And then we're gonna finish with 4 sugar steps. Left, right, right. The best step in the history of dancing. So a sugar, you're twisting everything to the left. So my knees, my hips, my feet are going to the left. And then as I switch to the right, it's actually my left foot, the foot that's on the floor, that's actually swiveling. So as you step on your left, your right foot swivels. As you step on your right, your left foot swizzles. Swizzles? Swizzle? Left, right. Yeah, and if you can take your arms up and move forward there if you want to as well. That's 5, 6, 7, 8, and that's it. So that's left, right. Sugars or sugar steps. Try that again, just the sugars. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right. Yeah, one more time because they're so fun. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right. Ooh, my favorite step. So before that, we're gonna do that little 1, 2, 3 or pas de bourrée. Left, right, left, right. 5, 6. Your left foot does the 1, 2, 3 steps. Now right. Now left, right. 5, 6. Your left foot goes left, right, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. So putting our last 2 8 counts together, after you went left, right, left, you're gonna take your right foot across. We're gonna start to shimmy, unwind to your left on 3, 4. Transfer your weight to your right foot. Pick your left foot up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then you're gonna do that 3-step pas de bourrée from here. Left, right, left, right. Sugar, left, right. Let's try all that. So we're gonna jump or step that right foot across and then shimmy, nice and slow. 5, 6, 7, right. 1, 2, 3, left foot up. 5, 6, 7, left, right. Right. Sugar, left, right. Yeah, try it again, a little faster. Jumping across on 1. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, left foot. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right. Left, right. Great job. All right, before we go back to the top, let's talk about how we transition these pieces together. So from the little kick section, you're doing single, double, then we do front, side, pas de bourrée, right, left, right, front, side, pas de bourrée, left, then you step or jump, and that's how we connect it and pull that leg around, yeah? As you're pulling that leg around, if you find yourself falling side to side, look at yourself in a mirror if you can, or your phone or whatever, and make sure you're not leaning away from your leg. You want to be straight up and down on your right leg. And so you might have to lower. We can't maybe lift that left leg up as high as you think you can, because the higher, if you have to start to lean back, it's going to throw you off balance. So you just want to make sure that you're up over that right leg, up and down. That was a long side note. Okay. You're doing awesome. Let's go back to the very top from Sweet Sugar Candyman, and then we'll kick our right foot. Really super duper amazingly slow, just to put it all together. So everything's gonna get 2 counts here at the beginning. 5, 6, right foot goes out. On 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, kick. 1, 2, 3, double. 5, 6, 7, 8, front side, right, front side, left, left. Right foot jumps across, shimmy, 3, 4, left foot, 5, 6, 7, left, right, sugar, left, right. Oh, that's fun. Let's do it again. Again, we're gonna do it a little bit faster. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we go. 5, 6, 2 counts, right foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, kick. 1, 2, 3, double 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, right, left, jump. 1, 3, left foot, 5, 6, 7, go left, right, left, right. Fantastic. We're gonna do it one more time. Last thing I'm gonna mention, as you get faster, we really wanna have a bounce throughout this whole thing. So as you're kicking the opposite foot across, you're bouncing into that leg that you're standing on. 1, 2, 3, 4. So everything has this very light, bouncy feel to it. Especially as you get faster, it's easier to do. It's a little harder when we're going slow. So here we go. Add that bounce when you're ready. We're gonna do it one more time. Kind of up to tempo. Sweet sugar candy man. Here we go. Ready? 5, 6, right foot goes out. Go. Sweet sugar candy man. Kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, right, left. Jump right foot across. Left foot comes up. Then left, sugar, left, right. Great job. That was so good. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for joining me today. That was our tutorial. Remember, when you're ready to try it with music, if you're wondering where the music is, it's in a separate video, link down in the description below. So, catch your breath. And when you're ready to practice it with music, go check out that other video. It is very, very fast. But I promise you, if you can do it slow, if you can kind of slow everything down and get everything really good slow, your muscle memory will start to pick up so you don't have to think so fast when the fast music comes on. So then you can get faster and faster. So start slow, slow down to speed up. Yeah? Go back and watch the steps or the tutorials as many times as you need to. And if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, hit that subscribe button to be notified when new tutorials are released. Thank you so much for joining me today. I had so much fun dancing with you. I hope you have the most marvelous rest of your day, and I look forward to hopefully dancing with you in a future tutorial. Bye, y'all.